17 confirmed cases of coronavirus in the country, and the World Health Organization has now classified the virus as a pandemic. This means many countries will have to relook at their response to coronavirus. Cabinet has also scheduled a special meeting on Sunday.
That meeting of Cabinet will indeed be very thorough, looking into every area of work, including issues of travel. Now, that's what the minister will also say to you, that we will have a thoroughgoing discussion as Cabinet on Sunday, the 15th of March, on many areas that are impacted upon by this disease, whether it be churches, whether it be sports, whether it be arts, whether it be tourism, for instance. All these matters, and the economy, somebody spoke about the economy, and the impact of the coronavirus on our GDP, on our economy. All these matters consolidated will come for discussion in the Cabinet meeting that will be held on Sunday.
Despite the fact that most of those confirmed cases of coronavirus in the country are those of people who have traveled to some of the countries hit by the pandemic, the South African government has not declared any travel ban. Meanwhile, at least 122 South Africans who were holed up in Wuhan in China, the epicenter of the pandemic, are due back home on Friday. But government is keeping the location of the quarantine a closely guarded secret.
Where is the quarantine area? I am as blank as you are. But naturally, we wouldn't like people to flock to that area. One of the expectations is that they will be quarantined. So there will be agreements and consent that we then get from our colleagues through this communication between us and them, through our Department of DERCO and our Department of Health. Those are the arrangements that we have made with all those that are coming back. And those that felt that we are not going to do this and they don't want to be party to any of the protocols that we put on the table have indeed not come. We will not repatriate them because the repatriation is premised on the agreement that the state reaches with each individual. In that agreement is also the question of quarantine.
Implicit in Minister Mthembu's response is that a deal has been struck between those South Africans who were holed up in China, that government will bring them back home, provided they agree to be placed under mandatory quarantine before being released if they are given a clean bill of health. Vuyani Green, SABC News, Parliament.